Hindi mo kailangan mag-guilty kapag meron kang biniling mahal. Kailangan mo lang i-develop ang 3 psychological muscles na ito. Dahil sometimes, yung ating mga purchase guilt isn't really because you're not responsible. Sometimes it's because we have been wired with a psychological code na kahit na afford mo naman ng mga bagay-bagay, para bang nakakahiya pa rin bumili ng mga pangarap mo. Kaya kailangan dinidevelop itong mga 3 psychological muscles na ito that will create and transform your abundance. Number 1, self-trust. Hindi naman talaga yan paminsan sa dinadoubt mo yung presyo. Pero minsan, ang dinadoubt mo, yung sarili mo. Even if may mas mura o mas maganda pa, lagi ka na lang nagtatanong ng mga what if. Tapos, you're settling for something less kahit na alam mo naman, kaya mo naman na to buy more. Number 2, deservedness. Luxury isn't really a waste when it is aligned with your joy. Kung nagpapataas ito ng energy mo, confidence mo, o creativity mo, that's really not indulgence. Sometimes, it just gives you that alignment. You are safe. And sometimes you need to understand that you deserve to receive more than enough. Number 3, rooted gratitude. After every purchase, maybe take a deep breath, pause, and maybe say to yourself, "Thank you, Lord, for allowing me to enjoy this with peace." Gratitude anchors the blessing. Guilt really blocks it. Alam mo, ang goal naman talaga isn't really about the price, the purchase, or something about whether you can afford or not. Sometimes ang goal, maging at peace ka sa mga bagay na dati, panaginip lang, ngayon ay natutupad mo na.